Hi, I'm Brittany of WTI, and I love to clean.
So that's why I have to show you the LANNIU Broom and Mop set, and honestly, it's so much more than that. It can turn into anything. You have a sponge scrubber, which can be used to scrub any hard to reach areas like your walls, your cabinets. You don't have to be on a ladder or crouching down. The broom has a wonderful flexible head that allows you to get down into hard to reach areas and to move with the shape of the flooring and around any objects. It was so nice to have that flexibility without having to bend down and strain my body. The mop head is extremely flexible, as you can see, and again, like the broom, is great in turning on a dime and getting into those small, tiny, cramped areas and underneath things just to make sure you can really give your house a good clean. The scrub brush is amazing for if you have a shower or a bathtub, again, avoiding having to get into tight spaces, get into your sink, hard to clean areas. The duster was also very nice into cleaning around the light fixtures, getting any dust or spider webs all in the corners of our house. And my personal favorite was actually the window cleaner / squeegee. It is so nice too. You can even shorten the pole so that you don't have to worry about having it so long, and you can just get into all of the window panes and give it a nice dry streak-free clean. And you can clean and reuse all of the cleaning pads. It's just been so nice.
You can switch the heads with ease and get whatever job you need to get done. And that's my point of view.